Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Windham, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move across the country or to your next city may seem easy as simply packing things into random boxes, loading them into the truck, moving from A to B, and then unloading. But in reality, it's much more complex, frustrating, and time-consuming if you have not relocated before. Taking professional help is a wise decision. Skilled long-distance movers of 3 Movers have huge experience in the moving industry. They use safe lifting techniques and pack precious items carefully to ensure full safety during the loading process. Moving locally, perhaps you might feel that you can do all the steps independently without taking any expert help, but it's just not like that. There are many things involved other than just packing the whole house. By hiring professional local movers, you can say goodbye to the planning. This is something you won't get with a DIY mover. Moreover, relocating bulky and fragile items like refrigerators, furniture, etc. are painful. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Windham moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.